lot of my decision to come here was mainly athletic, but I always known that Alma had a really good physics and math program, and at kind of a higher level than I would be able to anywhere else. And I thought, that with the idea of athletics, being able to do both of those, with have that college experience is really interesting to me. My name is Brendan Kurtzy. I'm a senior engineering major. The nice thing about Alma is it's a smaller class size. Faculty here, Dr. Argetta and Dr. Jensen, they really let you kind of explore what you want to do, take on your own projects, whether that be in class or on your own personal time. So Stevie Hyde, who's another senior here at Alma College, is a physics major, and he came to Alma with the intent of building a rocket. And when he talked to Dr. Jensen was fully on board with that. And over the span of the last 2.5 or 3 years, he's kind of, gathered materials, gathered knowledge. And, I helped him over the span of maybe 8 months build this rocket from scratch out of a 50-pound piece of copper, and kind of built it up from there. I convinced Dr. Argetta to bring Kim Travis in, who's a local engineer in Ithaca. He taught a shop class for a semester last year, and what Kim brought to the table is really, an element of this is our process and this is how things are done the correct way. And the nice thing about Alma and what sets it apart is you have this kind of personal access to these kinds of facilities. You're taught how to use them properly, you're given the necessary guidance, and then basically you're free to do what you want with the materials that you have access to, and you're free to build and create whatever you want. You're kind of limited by your own creativity at that point, and Alma was able to provide that in a very unique way. They love solving problems and doing puzzles, and that's basically what we do. If you boil it down, is you give us problems and our job is to solve them. So I just love that.